Are you missing the Citthreading Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. While we cover the technical fix for Citthreading Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Citthreading Library, the Component Integration Technology Threading Library. It manages unmanaged thread pool allocation and task parallelism for modern Windows system components, preventing CPU lock conditions. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Errors involving Citthreading Library DLL typically suggest that the localized application threading logic files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Citthreading library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. A quick safety warning: never download files like Citthreading Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Citthreading Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Citthreading Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.